If you own a water damage restoration company, then you want to be seen on Google Maps whenever somebody has an emergency. Whenever somebody's pipe bursts, whenever somebody's basement floods, whenever somebody has damage from a fire, you want to be seen on Google Maps because you know what? They're going to be searching for water damage restoration near me. And if you aren't on there, guess who is? Your competitors. Do you really want to lose all those phone calls and all those customers to your competition? Of course not. But you know what? I'm sure you've called SEO agencies and you've been told that if you want to be seen in Google Maps, if you want local SEO, it's going to cost you $1,500 a month, $2,000, maybe even $3,000 a month, and 6 months before you even see any results. Now, do you want to waste close to $20,000 before you start seeing results? Can you wait 6 months? Of course not. So what are you going to do? Well, my name is Kyle Sabrat, and I'm from Green Hat Local SEO, and we have a free Until You Rank SEO program for water damage restoration companies. So with this program, we will put up our own money to get you ranked. You won't pay a dime until you start seeing yourself in Google Maps. This is a completely risk-free offer if you own a water damage restoration company and you need SEO. So how does this work? Well, with our free Until You Rank SEO program for water damage restoration companies, what we're going to do is we're going to get your Google business profile. We're going to optimize it, make sure all the information is correct. People know where you are, where you're located, what times you're open, and how to contact you. We're going to make sure all your services are listed on there. We're going to make sure that it's updated a few times a month with images and posts. You're going to give us access to your website. We're going to completely optimize your website, make sure that there is a page for each service that you want to rank. We're going to get backlinks to your page. We're going to get you in the news with press releases. We're going to do whatever it takes to get you ranked. And again, we're going to do this all for free until you see results. So until you see yourself in the map pack, we will work tirelessly until you see yourself there. So again, this is a free Until You Rank SEO program for water damage restoration companies where you won't pay a cent until you see results. If you want to learn more about this, then contact Green Hat Local SEO today and ask about our free Until You Rank SEO program for water damage restoration companies.